What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's Greg, and today we're going to be cooking some ribeye steak on the charcoal grill. And what we're going to do with our ribeyes, we're going to go ahead and open them. We're going to season them. Got all of our steaks out on the cutting board. The first thing we're going to do, Worcestershire sauce. Put a little bit on. You're going to rub it. And what this does, people don't know, you don't really see many people putting Worcestershire sauce on their steaks, right? Weird. What it does is it's going to put a great marble on this steak. Go ahead and put that on there. That on there. And then what we're going to do, we're going to flip it, do the same thing to the other side. Alright, next thing we're going to do, this guy, whoever made this, I found this at the store. Killer Hogs Barbecue, the AP seasoning. All it is, it's salt, pepper, garlic. Amazing. This stuff, a good base to put on everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come across, I'm just going to do something a little light. Like that. And then now our steak has seasoning. We're going to use this later. But now it has this seasoning. What we're going to do, set it to the side for at least 30 minutes. Let it soak it all in. And go get the grill ready. Alright, so to be cooking this steak, we're going to be using charcoal. So, I'll load that up. That's plenty. Got two little pieces right here. I'm going to sit that on. And then we're going to let charcoals get nice and hot while that steak is marinating. Alright, and while the charcoals are getting hot, I got some Killer Hogs steak rub. So what we're going to do, we're going to open that up. We're going to sprinkle that on. Once that charcoal is all hot and ready to go, these are good to go on. Alright, now that these charcoals are pretty hot and firing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over here and release. So. Then I'm going to put this grate on. Give that about 5 minutes to let the grates get hot. And everything get hot, and then steak's gonna go on and we're gonna start cooking. Alright, everything's nice and hot, cleaned off. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna get our steak, we're gonna put them on just like that, right over the charcoal, just like so. We'll put this lid on. We're going to let that sit for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And then we'll get back. Alright, it's been 2 minutes. Take that off. Grab this. And all we're going to do is we're going to turn it 90 degrees. Alright. We're going to let that sit for another 2 minutes. Alright, it's been another 2 minutes now. Take this off. We're just going to flip it. Just like that. Oh yeah. Yep. Just like that. We're going to put this back on. for another 2 minutes. All right, it's been another 2 minutes. Take this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn everything 90 degrees. We're gonna cook it for another 2 minutes. All right, so now it's been a total of 8 minutes. They're looking good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. We're gonna put it on the cool side. And let's see what the internal temperatures are on them. So they're all sitting around 120-ish, which I like mine a medium rare-ish. So I'm gonna keep them on the cold side. And we're gonna cook these on the cooler side, like that, for about 5 minutes, and we'll check it again on the timer. I'm trying to get the temperature between like 130. I kind of like it sitting at 130. All right, all these are ready to come off. So we're gonna get this, set that on right there. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring these inside, let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then break into them. All right, so now let's try it. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna come over here, get me a little mushroom, put it on there. I know it's good. That's so good. Oh, so good. Best way, one of my favorite ways to make steak. Sit there, rotate it every 2 minutes. Get you a little Worcestershire sauce and mushrooms. Put it on top. Let it rest. Eat it. It's so good. So much flavor. It's so good. Well, I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me cook next, and that's how I might make my steak. Appreciate y'all watching.